The basic steps for hypothesis testing are as follows. First thing we do is we state the null and alternative hypotheses. And for us, it'll always be in the form of the null hypothesis is some parameter equal to some null value. And that parameter could be a proportion, difference of proportions, means, difference of means, or it could be something else. The alternative is parameters not equal to that null value. From there, we'd collect sample data, and for the most part, this is going to be done for you. After that, we check the conditions have been met for the central limit theorem. Recall, those conditions are generally in the form of sample size and randomness. From there, we compute the point estimate and standard error. Then we compute what's called the test statistic and use that to find the p-value. Test statistic would be something new for us, and we'll get to that later in this lesson. Depending on that p-value, we would either reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis, and from there we would write a meaningful conclusion about the alternative. Alright, so a single event that leads to an outcome can be called a trial. If the trial has two possible outcomes, like heads or tails, male, female, yes, no, on, off, we typically label one of those outcomes a success and the other a failure. As far as the testing goes, it doesn't matter which one is which. Usually in statistics, we think whatever we're looking for is the success, and what we're not looking for is happening, that'd be the failure. As far as finding p-values and all that, it doesn't matter which one's labeled. You'll get the same p-value either way.